to Spark SmartKit Experience Videos on Demand. I'm Gopalan, EPIC certified SmartKit builder. For this video, we're going to focus on the wireless tethering hotspot that has been built into the power bar of the SmartKit. So with that wireless tethering hotspot controller that will use your mobile device's cellular data to provide internet to the kit, and once the kit is online, the endpoints will be registered to the Spark Cloud, and you'll be able to make inbound and outbound calls without compromising any features. First of all, before we configure the mobile devices to connect with to share the hotspot, we will need a couple of information here, which you could be able to obtain from the user guide that we provide with the kit. So you will need the kit number. Basically, you will be able to find out the kit number from the throughput case here and the other corner of the kit. And with that kit number, now we will be able to configure our mobile device to provide or share the internet to the kit. Let me start this with the iPhone. So basically, this feature could be enabled with any smartphones, such as iPhone, Android devices, or iPads or Android tablets. So here we are going to focus on iPhones and Android phones. So first, let me use my iPhone to show you guys how you can set up the hotspot on your mobile phone that could provide internet to the kit. So I'm going to the settings, and I will change the name of the iPhone, which could be done by going to the settings and general and about. The SSID that we're going to broadcast is the name of the kit. For example, I'm using SparkKit 0008. So I will type in SPK 0008 and I will go to personal hotspot and turn on the hotspot, and I will use the password that hotspot device is looking for, which is welcome explanation point. And once you click, you'll be able to see that there's one device being connected to my mobile phone, which is the SparkKit. So here are a couple of things that we're going to make sure that we have enabled before we look at the devices, whether they're registered. So there are two switches that, if you could notice, at the revenue switch, which is hotspot A and WAN B. So whenever we connect the kit through a hotspot, we always have to make sure that hotspot is enabled. So I'm enabling the hotspot. So once you enable the hotspot, the second thing that you have to see if the Meraki light turn white. So when the Meraki is online, that light has to be pure white. If that Meraki light is not white, then there should be something wrong with our configuration. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds to see the Meraki is turned white. So once the Meraki is turned white, then you'll be able to see if the endpoint is registered online. So the same way what we did for iPhones, we are going to do with the Android devices as well. So I'm going to use my Android device to show you guys how you can configure your Android devices to share the hotspot with your SparkKit. So we'll go to settings, and in settings we'll go to tethering and mobile hotspot. From there we'll go to mobile hotspot and click that options and choose configure hotspot. So in the configuration of the hotspot, the network SSID is the kit number, which is SPK 0008. So based on this, your kit number may vary. So you will type in the kit number under the SSID, and the password is the same as welcome explanation, and you will save the configurations, and you will turn on the mobile hotspot. So once the hotspot is enabled, you'll be able to see that one device is being connected to your mobile device. From there, the next thing we'll move on to the AB switch, and to make sure that hotspot A is enabled, and to see the Meraki, if the Meraki lights turn white. So we will wait a couple of seconds, and the Meraki will turn white, and the endpoints will be registered to the Spark, and you'll be able to do the demo without compromising any single feature. Thank you, and have a great demo.